Good afternoon. Today is Vlogmas number 8 and Mom is still here. I just got done doing some work on my computer and me and Mom are upstairs, you know, organizing the bathroom, throwing a bunch of stuff away, just kind of clean sweeping and keeping only the good stuff. So we're doing that. And took a nap. Anthony is kind of napping-ish too. And actually Nene and Preston are on their way over. So we're gonna have like a little evening hanging out. We're supposed to be starting this fitness journey together. So we're gonna be kind of just talking about that. I'm gonna probably cook some dinner for us and just chilling and stuff. So this is gonna be a really laid back day. Just got out the shower. So I just put on some regular like lounge wear. Oh, and I washed my hair yesterday. So it's really clean and fresh and feels nice. I used, what shampoo did I use? Oh, I used that Mielle Organics Rosemary Mint shampoo on my hair. And then I just used the Mielle Organics leave-in hair milk stuff. So it's just been in this ponytail since yesterday. And we are just chilling today. So let's go upstairs. Let me show y'all though. Mom cleaned up so nice, you guys. It is just spick and span in here. She opened up the windows. I don't know if you guys can see. She pulled the little paper drapes up so we could see the backyard, and it's just like so much more pleasant in here. Watching TV and stuff. Things so spick and span. Thank you so much, Mom. Floors are sparkling. Hey. I took a shower in the guest bathroom for the first time because Mom is in there doing the shower in our bedroom. This was my little cleaning box of supplies she brought up. So, like, look at this shower. Oh my goodness, it's like sparkling.
Not quite.
Not quite, but almost. Yeah, and I'm doing this cabinet over here. So I'm about to start breaking all this stuff down. So I am actually going to be filming like a bathroom reveal video this week. At least that's the plan. So it makes sense to get this stuff all organized and clean. I have a really exciting announcement to make this week, and it's going to kind of be in conjunction with my bathroom reveal. So I'm really excited about it. So I really wanted the bathroom to be done and set up the way that I had dreamed for it to be before I show it to you guys. So that I can show it to you guys. What am I saying? I lost my train of thought and she's back there laughing at me. Anyway, okay, so I'm gonna organize this. See, when you're doing too much, you start being like, wait a minute, what the heck did I just say? So I'll go get the mop, don't worry. I just wanted to share something right quick. So, you know, I partner with Tampax and Always on some stuff. Let me just show you how many tampon packs I have. These are the perks of partnering with the brand. I don't have to buy any tampons probably for like the next 3 years.
Till menopause.
Mom.
At Mariano's is called Martinelli's apple juice.
I love,
you know, I got a big old
yeah,
pack.
no.
But certain stuff like, for example, those little, I got on this with the,
Right, well, they can get up there in price. And then they got, you know, the apple cider because it's the holiday.
Now the Costco's at Mariano's, because it's usually like 5 something.
Y'all done, Ian?
I didn't want the paper to be on there, but yeah, so they had
Dinner served, guys. Nene came over. Preston over there. And just ate her dinner. Now she wants my mom's dinner. Ma, she gonna get your stuff. Sangria, we put some frozen strawberries in it because that was my mom's idea. So it kind of looks like it's gonna be pretty good.
Yum, yum, yum.
You know what I'm saying? So, Mom tilted the TV this way. That's kind of cool that we can see it from over here. Yay, Mom.
Give me the two, say.
I'm gonna put on my PJs.
Get your little kitty cat. Stupid.
When you're trying to get your camera to focus on your drink, stop doing it. Anyway, I'm drinking Bourbon County. Dang. Cheers. Cheers. They're having sangria, but I'm like, I want some Bourbon County. I want my stout beer.
I ain't messing with her no more because last
So you
time
see yourself.
I only had half a day of work because of her messing with her. So I'm gonna take it light. It's a Sunday.
I'm a bad influence.
Influencer, bad influencer.
What y'all talking about?
We were talking about we want to watch a holiday movie.
Trading Places.
Trading Places.
Yeah.
That's like one of my favorite
Home Alone.
holiday movies.
Yeah.
Home Alone is funny too, yeah. But Trading Places with Eddie Murphy,
It's classic.
it's so funny to me. I love Eddie Murphy. It's my favorite comedian, y'all. Favorite comedian of all time. My current favorite comedian, in case y'all care, is going to be Mike Epps. I have seen him live twice with my husband. Tom Segura. Who else do I like?
The dude from Blackish.
I love D-Ray. D-Ray got the kind of humor like is like your crazy big cousin. Deion Cole. Deion Cole is cool. I met him in LA that time. His stand-up, I'm not as much of a fan of, because here's the difference between a comedian that's funny in a movie and then funny in stand-up. Like, it's a different type of delivery. So my favorite stand-up are the people I named, and then for movies, it's still Eddie Murphy though. It's like The View.
Yeah.
Come on, let's get in. Let's talk about comedy.
Yeah,
Come on. That's gonna be funny. Let's do like The View with comedy. So bring your drinks.
Or like, you know how Jada Pinkett got the red table, we at the round table.
We're at the glass table.
With the glass table. Where we're exposed to transparency.
Right, complete transparency at the glass table.
We keep it
Y'all, this is a
100.
series. This is gonna be a series.
Stay tuned.
She gotta go to the bathroom, so we gotta wait. The waiting music. Let's talk about what I posted on my Instagram earlier about moms. Did you see what I posted?
No.
Let me show you. Candace had posted it on her page, and I saw it, and I was like, I gotta repost this. This I felt
This
it.
is what you want to do. Cheers. That's all you want
Right.
to do. That's all you want to do. Was cheers.
This is so bad.
Cheers, TT.
Cheers his juice with my beer.
Cheers.
We expect women to work like they don't have children and to raise children as if they don't work. So, let's discuss that. When I saw that, I felt it. I was like, you know what? The pressure either way. You're expected to ace both tests without exception.
And to have a smile on your face and do it with pride and not complain and all that other
You're not allowed.
stuff.
As a mother, you're not allowed to complain, because if you say for 1 minute that you're feeling overworked and overwhelmed, the first thing people think is, oh, well, you must not like being a mom. So that poor child. And it just doesn't work like that. It's not one extreme or the other. You can be a great mom and be fucking overwhelmed. In fact, great moms inevitably become overwhelmed. I mean, that's why you're a great mom, because you're doing the most. You're doing a lot. This is daddy-daughter stuff right here. They can't even see you. This is daddy-daughter stuff right here.
It's still a stigma to talk about it, because you feel like, will that make me a bad mom if I talk about how difficult it is, or if I don't want to have that conversation about having more kids?
And so then we don't have the conversations because we feel stigmatized by having the conversations, and then we don't provide any clarity for people who haven't become moms yet. And so they embark on motherhood without knowing the true, real,
Stop it.
Candid expectations of what it is like to be a mom. And so then you just have this generation of women who are embarking on motherhood with all of these hidden feelings about the work that it requires, and nobody is talking about it in the way that is really going to be helpful and productive for new moms. And I think that is the real tragedy. But we are getting to a point though in our society where we are actually getting more comfortable talking about the uncomfortable things, you know. So yeah, it's I feel like it's universal understanding that it's a terrible thing to be abused, it's a terrible thing to be sexually abused or oppressed and stuff like that, but it's not as commonly understood that it's terrible to make a woman feel that she can't express how she truly feels, right, and what she's truly going through with motherhood or wifehood or whatever. It's like taboo, but now it's not becoming so taboo to talk about those things. Right, because we have social media, we have like open forum, and people are more comfortable having these discussions. But that meme that I saw, I was like, I gotta post this because when I saw it, I was like, right, exactly.
Candace Bell?
Yeah. Yeah, Mom. We established that 10 minutes ago. No, I'm just kidding. Let me know, you know, in the comments, y'all, with these Vlogmas videos, you know, if you guys want me to continue like these glass table discussions, because Nene is here today, but I could always have Kay on here on FaceTime. I could have my mom over. I could have Anthony on the glass table discussion.
I think right. But a lot of my vote for the glass table discussions.
Yeah, we can do that. We can do that. I mean, this is just
it might be a whole series that
This is just a quick sample. I mean, we weren't really digging real deep. I mean, we were going off of a meme that we saw. It was just, you know.
Drop Ms. Vaughn TV some topics that you may want to see.
Yeah, if you want to see the glass table discussion and what you would want to hear, what topics you would want us to talk about. And it's not like we're trying to reinvent the wheel or teach or da-da-da-da-da. This is not like a TED Talk. But what we're doing is just being relatable, just your everyday regular, you know, women, talking about everyday women issues, and just, you know, it's a way to kind of validate your perspective and to get another perspective, right?
We're all just sharing.
Just sharing. So it's not like, it's ain't no soapbox.
Right.
And the kids are behind us.
Being kids.
Going off. Get it. Look at these clean plates.
You start making some how-to videos?
I do have some. I do have a couple. Mom, tell her how much you liked it.
I liked it.
She said it tasted gourmet. I was like, bye.
I liked it.
You liked it? You liked it, that sangria too. Look at it.
I want some more sangria.
We got the big gallon back there. Yikes. But no, what I did was I just put together a salad with what I had in the fridge. So I just, you know, I went to the store and got some arugula, and I had like some salmon that I got, and you know, whatever. I'm like, let me put this together in a way that they might like. Together in a way.
Salad.
If y'all stop falling,
scaring me.
Over here. They're trying to open the doors. Get your butt back over here. Oh yeah, somebody asked me about this Nutcracker figurine. They asked me, was this meant to be outside, and I just had it inside. Actually, no. This thing is made of wood and fiberglass, I think. So at least that's what my dad said, and it's intended for indoor. It's just a giant figurine. It's just an oversized figurine. And I got it from Home Goods. It could go outside, but it's not really designed for it. Yeah, but Mom, this was designed for inside. This wasn't designed for outside. Because I bought it from Home Goods in the section where the figurines were. And they had all different types of figurines. They had some that were like made out of cloth and feathers and all this. You know how they have the crafty stuff. And so this was not meant for outside. But I guess you could put it outside, but I didn't like go against the grain or anything. It's meant for to be like inside the house next to like a really tall tree. But you can put it outside. You could. It might get messed up though. And then I got some cotton candy from the party yesterday. You guys, I'm eating it.
Let me taste that.
I am eating it. It's good. Brings back memories of being young.
Oreos, girl.
Oreos are inherently vegan.
What?
Yes.
Let me get one of these cups.
Nene raiding the cabinet.
Look, she's so short.
This is how people that
my
are
God.
tight inclined do things. If you had some tweezers, it would have been.
Look.
See that?
No, you didn't use 2 spoons.
You gotta make it happen.
Oh my God.
411 and loving it.
Loving it. Wait, where did the crackers come from? They were up there?
Lord have mercy, what was in this cup?
When you don't even know what's in your cabinet.
Right. See a task force. I don't see it.
Me and Platty have on matching pajamas.
I just can't come up with it. Who you remind me of? What's that?
What are you doing?
Matching pajamas.
Pajama man.
Pajama mama. Pajama mama. Pajama mama.
You just too cool.
Don't do that.
You know.
I ain't ready to go either, but you
Thank you. Gonna take a picture. Doesn't this look all holiday-ish? Doesn't this look all holiday? Even though it's really not.
It's gonna burn the star.
No.
It is.
A little star. We turn the fireplace on. We almost never do.
The star is hot.
Well, because we don't have the proper like covering and everything, but we're gonna get it. But for today, we're turning it on because we're gonna take a picture. Because me and mom are dressed alike in our matching PJs that I got from Target. It would be nice if we had on the Santa hat and all that, but I think I put it in the basement and I'm not going down to that dungeon.
So
Cheese.
call in.